We here at the VA recognize that this can be a very scary time. We're here to help you help your veteran. In the next few moments, we'll show you the life-saving skills you need to help the person experiencing a life-threatening emergency. If you find a veteran unresponsive, grab your phone and call 911. Or if someone is with you, get them to call and seek an AED if available. Place the phone beside you and check for breathing. If you do not see or hear any breathing, or breathing is erratic or snoring, you need to start CPR. Position yourself beside the veteran with your shoulders directly over the chest. Place the heel of one hand in the center of the chest, then place the other hand directly on top. You'll want to push straight down, hard and fast, making sure you release between compressions. You don't stop until help arrives. Be prepared for the moments that matter.
Unit okay. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest. Don't touch patient. Analyze it. Don't touch patient. Analyze it. Shock advised. Don't touch patient. Press flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Start CPR.